Now we are going to take a look at variables. With variables, you are able to store, manipulate, and reuse data in the system. It's essential to virtually every programming language, and in bash scripting you have some as well. So we're going to open our script. Let me ls to see what we have. I'm going to change the name of this script to welcome. All right, just to sorry, mv script welcome.sh. All right, so now we have welcome.sh. Let me edit it. All right, this is where we stopped in the last video. We created a script that just says hello world. What if we wanted this script to say something more specific, like hello user or hello your name? Let's say your name is John. I could say here user equals John. All right, John quotes, and I could call it by replacing this with dollar user. What have I done? I have set a variable user equal to the value John, and I have called that variable in this print statement. Okay? So what I am supposed to get is, as a result, when I run the command, is hello and the content of the variable user, which is John. So hello John. Let's try it and see if we did the correct thing. Let me leave here and run this script again, /welcome, and yes, it worked. Hello John. So that is a variable in action. Okay, we're going to develop this idea more and more as we go, but basically that's it. Before we move on to the next thing, we're going to look at calling environmental variables in your script. Okay? This variable that we just created is a user variable. We created it ourselves. But the Linux system, let me clear this, the Linux system has variables built in, and you can call them whenever you like. You can call them in your scripts. So if I type the letters env, let me pipe it to less so that it doesn't just scroll off the screen. I press enter and I see a host of variables like this one up here. Shell is equal to /bin/bash. Print working directory is this, so on and so forth. I'm going to use one of them called user right now, and let's see what it's like. Let me leave here and I will now go back into my script to call an environmental variable. So I just said echo hello user. Now so I will echo again, echo welcome dollar user. Now this dollar user is certainly different from this one above here, because this is lowercase and the one here is uppercase. Where do we see variables that are all uppercase on our system? They are environmental variables. So I should by the time I run this, I should still see the result of this, which was hello John, and I should see the result of this, which is welcome, and the current user of the system put together. Welcome Martin, I guess. So let's try this, and let's /welcome.sh, and there we have it. Hello John and welcome Martin. The user variable being displayed here. Here is the environmental variable, the current user of this system, we could have just as easily called it from here. We could have said echo dollar user, and we see the same thing. Right? All right. So we're going to take a few questions, then we'll take another step.